Enamel is the hardest structure which is found in the human body and it forms a protective covering on your teeth. Let us find out some more interesting fact about enamel. Enamel is not only the hardest structure on your teeth, rather the deposition of enamel is of variable thickness. That is, it may be deposited of different thickness at different regions of your teeth. For example, if you check out the cuspal areas of your premolars and molars, you will find that the thickness of enamel is around 2 to 2.5 millimeters, whereas when we reach at the cervical area of your tooth, the surface of enamel, the thickness of your enamel becomes knife edge. The main function of enamel is to form a resistant covering on your teeth and making them suitable for the process of mastication. The structure and hardness of enamel is really evident. That is, the hardness can be defined by the structure of enamel. Okay, I think all of you can really see the image of these teeth. I want to explain about the physical property of enamel. That is, enamel is a permeable structure and it has been found using the radioactive tracers that they allow the light to pass through them, and some very important components or some basic molecules can pass through the enamel. Here you can see that the color of enamel covering crown ranges from yellowish white. The color may range from yellowish white to grayish white. It is all because enamel is a semi-permeable structure and it allows the light to pass through it. Because enamel is a semi-permeable structure and it is translucent in nature, the yellowish light is actually the yellowish color is because of the underlying dentin which is present over there. Enamel is not at all yellow in color. Rather, enamel is reflecting this range from grayish white to yellowish white, all because of the color of enamel and color of your dentin and the translucent property of enamel. As we move from the surface of enamel towards the dentino-enamel junction, the hardness, the modulus of elasticity and the density of enamel actually decreases. And if you want to know the reason for that, it is because of the orientation of enamel rods. Enamel rods are the structural unit of enamel. We will study about enamel rods in detail, that how these enamel rods are really responsible for the decrease in the hardness, modulus of elasticity and density when we are moving within the enamel from dentino-enamel junction to the surface or from surface to the dentino-enamel junction. We will study about the variations when we are going to deal with the enamel rods. For today, it's enough. Now, in the next lecture, I'll be introducing you about the chemical properties of enamel and we will continue further as well. Bye-bye.